Hi. Did you know a lot of people feel helpless in life because of their overthinking, stress, anxiety, etc. And because of these problems, they are unable to focus at work. They feel tired and exhausted the entire day. They even procrastinate tasks thinking that there's something wrong with them. So if you are dealing with the same problems, then I want to enable you to transform your mental health, achieve peace of mind using powerful NLP techniques and mental health practice. Hi, I'm Amandeep Sandhu. I'm a therapist. I'm a master life coach, master relationship coach. I'm the founder of the Indian Transformation Academy, and I'm on a mission to enable and inspire 100,000 people to transform their mental health using powerful NLP techniques and practices and become more happy and successful and financially stable in life. And that's why I have created the Life Transformation Model, which has a lot of powerful techniques which will help you to transform your mental health. And by using these powerful techniques in a systematic manner, you can even generate a 6-figure income every month by only investing a few hours a week. And normally, if you would learn these techniques outside, you may end up paying upwards of 30,000 rupees. However, as a limited time offer, if you join my Life Transformation Workshop, you will learn all these techniques at a special price. However, there are only limited seats available. Click on the link below to find out more about the Life Transformation Workshop and start your journey towards a great mental health and excellent financial stability.